I decided to do an apprenticeship because I felt like it was a good way for me to earn money whilst I learned how to do the hands-on aspect of building vehicles.
It wasn't more an apprenticeship, it was more the idea of, right, okay, I can go and jump out of school and go and work and study with an incredible racing bred organisation.
I have a background in electrical work, I have an HND, so I wanted to get hands-on with doing the electrical side of the Artemis apprenticeship.
For me personally, it was a bit of a shock to the system going back to school at my age, but it was good. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed the theory side of it. I have loads of experience, hands-on experience. It was more the qualification I was looking for.
Whenever somebody's explaining a problem to me or somebody's trying to articulate what they need me to do, like I have a visualization of how things go together from an assembly point of view rather than just an academic approach.
Learning in the classrooms, getting the qualification and then working on site and building up your experience, it's been worthwhile, definitely. I've enjoyed my time so far.
Look at composites, you look at mechanical or operations or anything. You start to work and learn from the people who are experts in your field.
Yes, you get valuable experience in university, but I really feel like that hands-on approach of how to actually build and manufacture, you really get knowledge that you can't get at university, so that's why I would always recommend it.